And we are taking pieces of batting and sewing them together to make our next scrappy quilt with. And my friends, where we sew this together, you can hardly tell that it has been sewn together. So I am quite sure you can't tell, but we're still putting it under a scrappy quilt. So we are having fun this morning and upcycling and reusing and creating a full piece of batting out of many leftover pieces from previous quilts that we have long armed. I'm so excited. This is looking so good. And my friends, all you have to do this is put it on a wide long stitch zigzag. So wide long stitch zigzag, and it's going to go right over those two openings and create one beautiful piece of batting from that stitch. There we go. Beautiful. I am loving this. Again, upcycle, recycle, use up all your batting.